I'm not gonna lie. So I gotta go through those street tires on. This dude got the wrong plastics for this junk. What size is this bag, John? It's the Big John. Yeah, nah, this Big John. The back brakes are a little wonky donkey. Damn. Not ideal washers. Say so myself. This thing needs some freaking grease. Bad. I got the bike's loaded. Fucking stomach. Fucking and then let's see what we about to make today. 250 going out. I'll be there. You can put these fucker on. No, it's hitting this. Damn. My old job. It probably took like 4 or 5 days. UFO is not too bad. UFO is pretty quick, I'm not gonna lie.
What is UFO?
It's like a plastic. Thank you. I know, but because it's a Warp 9, you think I could put a stock nipple in it and yes. See you later.